Hello everyone. This is my week ahead reading, and this reading is for the week beginning 15th of August till the 21st of August. And I'll be using an oracle card deck today, which is this Whispers of Lord Ganesha. And the question that I'm putting on the deck is, where should I focus in order to have a great and a fantastic week ahead? So let's begin and see what the answers are for all the zodiac signs. Let's begin with the first sun sign, Aries, and the card that I have for you is Positive Outlook. Now you need to focus on positivity this week so that each day of the week goes well for you. You need to remember that every situation is neutral. It's neither good nor bad. And if you feel that you are slipping into some kind of sadness or demotivated state of mind, then immediately take positive action to get back into the state of happiness and positivity. Next sun sign, Taurus. The message I have for you is healing. Now, literally, this card means, the message here means that you need physical healing. So take care of your physical health. And it is also signaling that this week could be a little challenging for you, where you could feel out of balance. So what you need to do is accept the situation. Do not play any blame game and move on with a lot of grace and integrity. Moving on to Gemini, and the message for you is prosperity. This is an abundance card, and Ganesha is reminding you that you have everything that you need right now. So claim your abundance. Abundance is not having job or money. You need to appreciate all the things that come to you this week. Live with appreciation and live with gratitude, including the talents that you have been blessed with. Next sun sign, Cancer, and the message for you is spiritual practice. You need to start devoting some time each day for spirituality. It can be as simple as sitting quiet for 5 minutes, or listening to something powerful while you do your daily chores, or just light a lamp. Just make sure the technique is easy for you to follow and close to your heart. So be ready for some life-changing ideas and breakthroughs through spirituality. Moving on to Leo, and the card message for you is delight. So I feel you're going to have a stress-free week, a very light week, and you should remember that happiness can be found in simple things in life. If you want to pep up your day, and if you feel that you are feeling a little disheartened or sad, then probably you can watch something on TV which can make you laugh, because laughter is the best medicine. Next sun sign, Virgo, and the message for you is perseverance. So my dear Virgos, I think you need to put in a little more effort in things that you're trying to complete this week, because there's still time for the outcome to arrive. So while you wait for the final results to come of your efforts, enjoy the progress that you've made and be a little patient. Librans, the message for you is acceptance. Yes, I understand it is a little bit difficult to follow, but trust me, there is a great freedom in accepting things as they are. So if you want your life to be smooth, and if you want your work to be moving in great speed, then you need to forgive and forget about situations or people that have caused you grief, anger or hurt, and you need to push forward out of this. Next sun sign is Scorpio, and the message for you is guidance. So I feel this week you are going to receive some kind of an information or knowledge from your own intuition or your inner self, or from someone whom you hugely respect. So the focus of this week is going to be around receiving knowledge, which is going to fine tune your skills, raise your awareness levels, and will keep you ready for future. Next sun sign is Sagittarius, and the message for you is joy. So through this card, universe is acknowledging that yes, you have been through a lot of stress and exhaustion because of some life learning experiences in the past. But now from those lessons that you have learned, you are only going to experience joy. So as a token of gratitude, in your mind's eye, you can offer garland of flowers to Lord Ganesha or any other guru or god or superpower that you have faith in. Next sun sign, Capricorn, and the message here is personal transformation. So go ahead and take those steps which are going to transform you from an old you to a new you. And instead of doing things which are routine and has no value or less value, you should definitely do something where you can honor yourself. Okay, so I feel it is time for you to take those strong and bold and courageous steps to towards growth of your spirit. Next sun sign Aquarius, and the message is cultivation, specifically music. So it's time for you Aquarians to start a new routine in your life, which is listening to music. Whenever you want to unwind yourself, start listening to music, because musical tones are supposed to be very powerful and it can shift your energies to more clearer and receptive state. So try to cut down on gadgets and excessive digital images and move towards more melodies in life. So next sun sign is Pisces, and the message is prioritize. So if you want to make the most of this week, then start prioritizing your day. You should start organizing every day and try and finish things which are of utmost importance, and the rest can be saved for later. You should definitely allocate some time to yourself so that you can sit back and reflect on how your day was, and it's a good time to clean the house as well. I wish you a great week ahead, and be happy, be positive, and enjoy life.